Harry Potter and all his wizard friends went straight to hell for practicing witchcraft.
He's not Spider-Pig anymore. He's Harry Plopper.
Keep it down, I'm reading Harry Potter.
Milhouse, if you tell anyone, I'll tell the world you wet your pants watching Harry Potter.
I wasn't scared. I was just pink.
As Headmaster Greystash fought a battle to the finish with Dark Wizard Maloysius Crumb.
Whew, look at that broom work.
They shouldn't be playing Quidditch at all. Not while 4 of the 7 Horcruxes are still unfound.
Publishers rake in the cash, and unsuspecting kids get 10 books a year by their favorite author.
But their sum total is the greatest murder since Snape killed Dumbledore.
I'm fluent in every imaginary language, from Dothraki to Parseltongue. Very sighs.
Ooh, isn't that a little dangerous?
Oh, don't worry. I have my invisibility cloak.
Love is more powerful than all my magic.
Iago, Joker, Voldemort, McEnroe on center court.
Can you tell me which college I should go to? It's not a sorting hat.